What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover Discovery Sport. Damn. The color of this car is called Carpathian Grey. I hope I'm saying it right, but with the light right there, I hope it's helping you guys see how gorgeous this car looks. Just check out the lights at the back. I like how robotic it is, but at the same time I like how the sky is right there. Then you get this beautiful looking gorgeous finish of a car right here with us. Let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks from the front. Let us first start off with the front lights. Now, amazing DRLs you have right here, the design-like finish, how it goes like this. Cuts right down. I like this gap right here, then it goes all the way down, then it cuts right in. At the same time, from the inside it comes back down, then goes back up, then cuts up there. So very cool like design, I love it. Love the black interior housing as well for a car like this, so gorgeous finish. Now the bottom bumper, you do have this gloss black finishing happening right here, and then this grey whole exterior body kit. Love the airflow happening on the inside right here. As you can see, it exits out through the other side of the bumper, goes into the wheels. You have this gloss black finishing for the bottom here as well, that goes across here for the whole center of the front grille. Very nice. Love the Carpathian grey finish down here to have the similarities for the front bumper together with the front sort of like lip right here in a way. Love the airflow happening on the inside right part right here. Very cool. I mean, not really an airflow, but more looks like it is. Cool. This is a tow hook. Your tow hook goes right here. And of course, you have some airflow on this side right here. Your sensor located down here. You have your 360 front camera on this side. You have some airflow happening on this side here as well. Love the blacked out front grille with the Land Rover badging right here. Love the shapes of this front grille. The Discovery wording in this blacked out finish when the car is actually in grey. So very sleek like design, very nice indeed. Love the lines on the top part of the hood. You have it right here, right there as well. And your whole centerpiece of the top hood is in this gloss black kind of a finish. So that's what's nice as well. Can you see what I mean? Love it, man. That's what's nice. Now, for the side wheel arch, you have this blacked out finish that goes across the whole wheel arch. You have your amazing wheels right here. Tire size is 235, the 50, and also 20-inch. So 235, 50, 20. You have your grayed out finish in the inner part, your silver lining on the outside, Land Rover caps right here, solid disc brakes right there, and then amazing wheel design. Now, you do have the Discovery wording right here, the side fender. You have some blacked out finish with this design like finish on the inside behind the Discovery word, so that's what's nice. Cool. I like how the lines go across from the whole thing right here, completely leading you to the door straight away. Blacked out lining that goes across the whole car, continues at the back right here, but you do get this grey finish on this side right here, so it doesn't have that whole blacked out finish for the side, but it is nice as well. Gloss black finishing, very clean setup. Love the mirrors. You do have this gloss black finish of a mirror, 360 camera down here, turn indicators right there, blacked out pillar goes across the whole side right here on the top. Very, very cool looking car, man. I like it a lot. Very nice. Now let's jump right to the doors. First thing, before that, wait a minute. Down here you have your gloss black finishing of the bottom side skirting, I believe. Very nice indeed. Now the doors, they're designed in this way, the handles. So let's pull this open and take a look at the door design on the inside. So they are using the Meridian speakers, as you can see, with the Meridian word right there. Love the finishing that they have right here, this textured like finish. Very, very cool indeed. I like it a lot. And you have this grained leather is what they call it, and window adjustments up and down are located on the upside right here. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door on this side. You have your bright finish of a handle to open up the doors, your lock button right here for the doors as well. So I like how they have the compartment storage down here. So it's a very clean looking door, very simple, straightforward. You have this grain leather is what they call it. Very nice. Now the bottom here you have the Discovery word. Of course they covered it up because it's a brand new car, but nevertheless it's nice to have that metal plate right there. You have your seat adjustments on this side. And check out the interior with all the lines that we have on the seats. So it's perforated seats. Amazing smell of the leather also at the same time, because of course it's a brand new car. Love the stitching that's in grey, contra with the black. And let's jump right in to the interior part of the seats for a car like this. So amazing dashboard like design, similar towards the door side. As you can see, there's this texture like finish for the whole piece right here. The top leather here, you have this grainy leather finish, so very cool. Comes with a head-up display as well for the driver. Love the screen for these Range Rover cars. I like how simple, like a tablet it looks like, very cool. Love the aluminium finish right here. Air vent adjustments right here, even right here as well. Hazard light, of course you have your volume adjustment for the air vents, how much air you want it to flow through. Open this up, you have your glove compartment storage right here, very cool. Legroom is good. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front, very nice. Seat belts are also in this blacked out finish, very cool looking finish. Amazing screen. 2 Type-C chargers. Of course, this will be a wireless charging right here, and I believe this should be some other compartment storage that you can keep some stuff. Amazing gear, very simple and clean. 2 cup holders on this side. Of course, inside part right here, you have your other Type-C together with your USB-C with your storage. So very cool indeed. Very nice. So let's jump right down and check out the rear side of the passenger doors. So open this up and take a look at the doors once more. You have this grainy like leather finish once again. You have the leather finishing all over the side of the door right here, similar towards the front dashboard. Love this texture like finish. Handle to open up the doors, handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got this bright finish right here. Speakers, Meridian speakers, compartment storage down here. Love the texture like finish for the door, very nice, cool. Now on the inner part of the rear seats, you have your black seat belts. Once again, the lines that go across the whole rear seats for both of them. Perforated seats, love the grey stitching. These ones are a bit darker stitching, but these ones are a bit brighter, so nice to see the design. The contra difference is good. Jump right in. You have your compartment storage down here to keep some stuff. You have this particular slot, I believe is for you to keep a tablet right here, and this should be your power socket to power up the tablet. So yeah, there's a USB-C, and yeah, very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seats. Seat belts are in black, and this one right here should be other stuff that you can keep. Very simple, straightforward, and yeah, very small and kind of like nice to keep some stuff. Things that are necessary, you guys can keep it in. And let's jump right into the center. You will notice that air vents, of course, are right here. You got your 2 Type-C connectivities. You have your 12-volt socket on this side with some other storage compartment down here to keep some stuff. So very cool, very simple. Love the what we are looking at for the center. Very nice. The fabric lining for the top, very cool indeed. Handles right here, all over the place. So let's open up the doors. Get right down. Of course, wait a minute. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. I didn't show you guys. Headroom is good, feel good, and let's hop right down and check out the rear wheels for the car like this. So you do have your Scorpion tires once again. Love the grayed out finish of a interior part of the wheel. Love the silver finish on the outside part. Land Rover wheel caps, grey finish, kind of like wheel nuts. 235/50 R20 is the tire size. Solid disc brakes at the rear, so it does look very good looking indeed. Once again, the wheel arch is in this black finish, so the color of the car is in this Carpathian grey, so quite nice. I like it. Let's open up the front. Before we jump right into the front, let us take a look at the rear. Before that, of course, petrol tank goes right here, very cool. And check out the rear, man, beautiful looking. Now you have your brake lights, of course, already lighted up. Very clean setup. I love the dotted finish on the inner part of the lights. Very nice. When you slam on the brakes, when you turn them on, very cool. Love the gloss black kind of finishing that's happening all over the side of the lights at the back. Very nice. Discovery wording right here. So let's open up the boot. Brake light, of course, is right at the top. Very nice indeed. Now check out the bottom. Yes, you do have, of course, your temporary tire, spare wheel, 12-volt socket for you to charge some stuff. Yeah, some other stuff I believe can slot in and keep, or maybe this is like another holder to keep some other stuff. But this, of course, is a shade for you to pull to hook on this side if you need to, but we're not going to be doing that. But yeah, let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys the space for a car like this. Now you do get your Land Rover wording right there, badging. Press this and let's pull the seat down. Show you guys how amazing the storage space is for a car like this. Amazing. Now we got to pull this down as well. And check out this space. Amazing storage space that you guys can actually get for a car like this. Beautiful finish for a rear seats, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous finish. Love how this car looks, man. Now the railing that you have right here, you can actually take it off and you can keep more stuff, more taller boxes in. So it's quite practical and very nice indeed. Now let's jump right to the, wait a minute, not done with the rear just yet. Let's press this down. Of course, you get your handle to hold to close the door as well for the rear. You do get your spot wording right there. Number plate is over there as well. You do get this gloss black finishing for the bottom here. Love how the bottom piece also is similar towards the grey color body of the car. So that's very nice indeed. Now they did have this blacked out finish right here to make it seem like there's an exhaust popping out over there, but the real exhaust is actually underneath. You got two of them, one over there, one over here. So very nice how they have this and that finish right there. So very clean setup. Now let us jump. Shark fin. You have a very huge shark fin like of an appearance. You get your camera located on the inside part right there. Love this particular brake lights are located on that side right there as well. So cool. Doors. You have your window adjustments, child lock and everything like that on the top portion of the door nearby the side mirror, so that's what's nice. You have your side mirror adjustments as well, very cool. Love the grained out finish leather that we have for the doors. Love the finishing right here. Can you see with the light right now? Looks very nice, right? This textured like finish, very cool. Love the handle to hold to close the door. Handle right here to open up the door, lock unlock feature. Speakers meridian. Love the leather finishing that goes across the whole door. And you get the compartment storage down here. Memory seats, you got 3. Very nice indeed for a door like this. Straightforward, simple. You have your sport chrome like pedals for the accelerator and the brake. Very nice. To open up the front engine. Discovery wording right here. Seat adjustments right this here. And let's jump right in to the front passenger seat and driver's seat. You have your cruise control settings right here. These ones I believe that control the main screen on this side. You have this bright finish that goes across the whole steering wheel. I like that a lot. Some of the other models have it in this gunmetal kind of a color. This also does the job. Love the Discovery wording right here. Pedal shifts, negative, positive. You have your wiper adjustments on this side. You have your lighting adjustments and your signal on that side. Head-up display is right here as well. So very, very nice interior design, man. Love it. Love it a lot. Let's close this back. Very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seat belts are in black. You have your frameless mirrors right here. Very cool setup. Yeah, very nice and straightforward. You have your other things that you can actually do on this side. Mirrors right here. Can even on them right here. So it's not like some other cars automatically you get it to be turned on. But yeah, fabric lining at the top. Amazing boot space that we have right there. Cool. Yeah, so let's turn on the lights. Let me see if I can get the lights on. There we go. Lights are on. So once again, check the lights out. You have this amazing DRLs popping up at the front. So it has this very, very classy appearance for the front. Nice cover photo. Cool. So I believe you've seen the back as well, but now let's turn on the signal indicators to show you guys how does the turn indicator appear to be. You have your signal indicators right here at the side. Very cool. You have the bottom indicators right here as well. I like how the lights automatically shut off and they focus fully on the signal that pops up underneath. Very cool indeed. Very nice appearance, man, dude, for a car like this. Check out the rear. You have the amazing turn indicators right in between the lights. Very cool indeed. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to Sime Darby. They have tons of cars on display right here, and they have a beautiful showroom. As you can see, tons of space, tons of colors for you guys to check out. And with the light coming in from the outside, it really helps a lot in showing the car color as well as the design of the car. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.